Bing, bing, bing. Among Us. Okay, guys. We gotta complete all our tasks and return to Earth very safe. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Now let's go do our tasks. Looks like it's only me and you, Squiddy. Yeah, let's go do tasks. Okay. I came with you to help you with tasks. Oh, thanks. Whoa, what's that noise? I really don't know. It's coming from the vent. Let's look inside. Let's look inside. I don't see anything. It's probably just the air. Yeah. Now let's go. Okay, let's go do tasks. You do that, I'll do this. Ooh. Whoa, the lights went out. They went back on. Grookey, are you okay? Grookey! I gotta go tell the others. Beep, beep. Nee, nee, nee. Guys, come here. Wait. Beep. Do, 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 do. Emergency meeting. Yeah, what's up? What's wrong? Grookey was killed. The lights went off, and then I turned the lights back on, but then Grookey was there, and he was dead. Oh, no. Huh? You're so stupid. So are you. Anyways, I wonder what happened to him. Probably someone on the ship probably killed him. Yeah, but he could have died. What task was he doing? He was doing wires. He probably got electrocuted. He probably accidentally cut one of the wires and the lights went out, and then he got electrocuted by the wire. That is a reasonable explanation. I don't know why anyone here would kill him. Yeah. Why would go back to doing tasks. I didn't get to finish my task because of the lights. That's kind of scary, Squidina, that he got killed. I hope it doesn't happen to us. Yeah. Ooh, what's this noise coming from it? What the? No! Wow. He. Yeah. What's wrong? Eagle died. Eagle died. Oh no! I'll be right back to the video. Okay, I'll just do something. And boom, the video's back on. Thank you for being patient. I just needed to get a charger. Okay, the video is now playing. How did he die? Where was he when you found him dead? He was over by the vent. When Googie got killed, he was somewhere reasonable. He was over by the vent. There's no way he could have died. Yeah, that is true. So someone killed him. Yeah, that's something that probably did happen. Now let's go, guys, let's go. Hey, Jingles, why aren't you going to do your task? Oh, I need to show you something. Jingles? Here you go. You dropped your key card. Oh, thank you, Jingles. I thought you were going to kill me. No. I'll save you for later. What was that? Nothing. Yeah! No! Yeah! What that just happened? Bing, 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 bing. What? Why are you killed Pika? Burr. Everyone! Do, 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 do. What's wrong? I just saw Wolf. He killed Pika. I think he was trying to kill me, but Pika jumped in the way. No, he was trying to kill me, but then Pika jumped in the way. Why would Dino lie, though? Dino has never lied once before, and you have lied a lot of times. So tell us, Wolfie, why did you kill him? It wasn't me! Yes, it was. Dino has never lied in his entire life. That is true, though. I don't like lying. Lying is bad. Tell us, why did you kill Pika? Why did you try to kill Dino but accidentally kill Pika? I'm tired of this. You guys have been mean to me all day. Well, that doesn't make it any better. We're throwing you out of the ship. Yeah. Any last words? I hope someone else. I hope my partner kills you. What? Dee 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 dee. Help! Oh, he was gosh, but what did he mean by partners? I think he had a partner, and his partner was helping him kill. That's why he isn't the one who killed Eagle. When Eagle was over by the vent, his partner killed him. And he was there to report the body. Well, technically they both could have reported it, though. So, we don't know if he killed Eagle or his partner killed Eagle. But he wasn't that far away. He was very kind of far away from Eagle. So I'm guessing the person in the vent killed him and the partner. Let's go do tasks. Oh, by the way, if you see someone who is breaking the tasks or faking the tasks, then go to the emergency meeting button and, well, go to the emergency meeting button and report it immediately. Okay, now let's go. Yahoo! Bye, Squiddy. I'm doing this task. Okay. He's gone. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? Nothing. I gotta run to the emergency meeting button. Super fast. Fast. Wait, is that a vent? I gotta report the body before anyone else comes. Beep. Ding, 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 ding. What's wrong? And where's my brother? He was killed. I just saw his dead body laying around. Oh no. That means one of us is the imposter. That is right. Or what if none of us are the imposter? There could have just been something that's just snuck on the ship and is killing us. That is true. Yeah, it's very true. Now, what should we do? I don't know, because if I vote out Pinky, then the imposter could kill me if you were the imposter. or I could kill you if I'm the imposter. If I vote out you, Pinky could kill me, or I could kill Pinky. One of those. If you vote out me, you could kill Pinky, and Pinky can kill you. So, I'm just saying we should skip. Yeah, we should skip. I have a great idea. Let's do this. Oh no! What is this? Jingles died. La la la. What the? Pinky, what are you doing to Jingles? It's not what it looks like. You killed Jingles. I'm throwing you out of this ship. Yeah. I'm the only survivor. I finally got the person who's been doing bad things. Or did you? Jingles! Rob! And that is the unhappy ending. But that's not all. There's a happy ending. Guys, I think we should skip. Yeah. Wait, is that a knife in your pocket, Jingles? No, it's not what it looks like. It's for protection. Yeah, you can tell that to Abraham Lincoln. Ah! There's also a happier ending. I think we should skip. Yeah. Also, guys, I want to tell you something. Yeah, I am the person who has been killing. I'm sorry. Oh, I should throw you out the ship for how much people you killed. Yes, you should. But I stopped. Okay, you promise never to kill ever again. Pinky promise? Yes, Pinky promise. Okay, now let's go back to Earth. We're back on Earth. Beep, beep. And there's even an ending where everyone survives. We finished all our tasks. So now we're back at Earth. And we made it all together. Yeah. Oh wait, where's Gookie? Oh, he's over in electrical. Okay. Gookie is alive, I promise. Beep 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 Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out more on my videos. Like and subscribe to find out more of our videos.